Welcome back everybody. I'm going to show you guys how I did this brush stroke design using only the brush of the nail polish. The polish that I'm featuring today is this lovely olive green. This is Central Parka from the new China Glaze fall collection, and it was one of my fall picks this year. I'm also using China Glaze Let's Chalk About It. It's this lovely pale pink, and then I'm using Maximillian Strause from Essie, which is another one of my favorite Essie polishes. I'm also using Skinny Dip, which I forgot to add, but I'm adding it here. This is an amazing polish for any kind of sheer base that you want to do. I just love this and I've used it so many times. Okay, so I've applied these polishes, 2 coats of each on each nail, and then I'm going to get into the design. I'm going to show you how I clean the brush off before we do any brush strokes. So you want to clean one end off on one side, one on the other, and do that a few times until you get most of the polish off the brush. Then I do at least one stroke on a piece of paper or silicone mat, and then the second one I usually do on the nail. I'm going to show you that here close up. You see that second one gives you the nice brush stroke. That third is just not quite enough, so I like to do one on something else and the second on the nail. Okay, let's do it on the nail. I'm going to start on the very edge and then just slightly lift up and drag it quite quickly. And then I'm going to do one on the other side. I can kind of fix the base and I can get it a little wider if I want to than my brush itself. I'm going to come in with the second color, do the same thing with this and do 2 spots, and then I'm going to come in with the olive on the top and then the olive on the side as well. And I will tell you, I do have a little ridge on my nail here, so it's a little difficult to get past that ridge, but I'm going to do another one here. And you want to just go back and get that close enough to the edge so that you can. I love this design. I'm going to add these little random polka dots, but I love this design because you can use any colors. I like to use a light, a medium, and a dark, and it just adds so much, and it's just kind of like a fun, easy design that requires no tools. So when you're finished with that and let it completely dry, you're going to add your fast stripe top coat. I'm using Glisten and Glow. I'll have links to all the products that I use down below, and that's the end of the tutorial. I hope you guys like this. If you did, let me know by giving me a thumbs up. Thanks. We'll see ya. Bye.